Hello, good morning, guys. So this is Tony Parker. I'm here again in Mexico. Look, so this is where's Disney? Where's Disney? Okay, this is Disney ship is about to park, and we have also Margaritaville Islander here. What a beautiful ship, guys! Come to cruise ship job. It's really nice here to work on a cruise ship. I love any question. If you wanna apply for cruise ship job, just hit my inbox. I'm gonna let you know everything you need to know, everything you need to have for you to make a CV for you to come and work on a cruise ship. See you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Jackie Vibes. Thank you. We have Carnival Breeze here. Cool, nice ship. Oh my god. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3 ships, okay, same location.